Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video with your host, Scott. So today is something that I use, oh my goodness, everywhere. I mean everywhere. And that is double-sided mounting tape, also known as nano tape. So just to go over a couple things, if you guys are not familiar with nano tape, it is double-sided mounting tape that you can use to mount all kinds of stuff. I mean, I've done pictures, frames, just all kinds of stuff. And I'll show you some examples. But it is strong grip, heat resistant, it's washable. That's right, you can wash it. It's reusable and it leaves no residue. So let me show you what it looks like and then let me show you guys how it actually works. I love this stuff. I got this stuff everywhere. So this is the nano tape. This is the transparent version. Now what I recommend you guys doing is keeping this, what they give you, or the plastic, because when you lay it down it's actually pretty sticky, as you guys can see. Stick it on your side, it sticks a little bit, so if you lay it on like a cloth table, it kind of picks up dust and stuff. So I recommend keeping just something plastic so you can set it on. And all you do is you peel a piece that you need, stick it on whatever you need, peel the top piece off, and you're good to go. So let's see if we can give you guys a good example. A fun example, Okay, this is a cell phone. It's a very thick, heavy-duty cell phone with a case. Check this out. Now, don't use your teeth. Don't listen to me. Don't follow my example. Just use a knife or scissors and be careful. And all you do, you place it on here, apply pressure, and then you peel off the top layer. You guys ready for this? This is our wall. That's it. And it sticks. As you can see, our phone is hanging, applying pressure, we're swinging it, and we didn't even apply a lot of pressure. So if you put a lot of pressure, now peel it off, it's still there, doesn't do anything to the wall. If we want to peel it off from there, peel it off. No matter how, now we can just simply wash it and then wait for it to dry a little bit and stick right on to something else, just like that. It stretches very far, as you guys can see that little piece. It's nice, guys. I use this everywhere. Everywhere. Almost most things on our wall, people would think, oh, he used a nail. No, I use this stuff. Highly recommend it.